Hi, I'm Bruce Thompson with Sampson Insurance Agency. I handle business insurance at the agency, and today I want to talk about professional liability. You'll also hear it known as errors and omissions. And the reason why this coverage is important is because it provides coverage in the event of somebody rendering advice. Now, to distinguish it from other coverages, other liability coverages, it's pretty straightforward. General liability policies, auto policies, they cover bodily injury and property damage. Somebody got hurt, something got damaged. The other side of this is professional liability. Someone's providing advice based upon their training, their education, and their knowledge of the industry to a third party. A client's buying advice from a consultant, could be an accountant, could be a media company, could be a marketing company. They're buying results based upon that person or organization's professional knowledge of their industry and their training, and something went wrong. There was some type of loss. Again, no bodily injury, property damage. We already have that covered under general liability. This is all about damages that are civil in nature as a result of misadvice. So a good example of that is, let's say there's a consultant that works with a client to develop sales, and they tell them to do certain things. And when they do that, they do it at the exclusion of other things. The client doesn't get the desired results. They've lost sales on the area that they weren't focusing on, and they come back to the business consultant for civil or monetary damages. That's a good example of an errors and omissions or a professional liability claim. Who needs it? Well, that field has grown. As we become more of a service industry, we see this broadening into a lot of categories that previously weren't thought of. The example is a technology company. If you're holding confidential information, if you're holding data, if you're providing people with access to potentially proprietary information, that technology company needs a type of errors and omissions called network security and data breach. Very big field now. We do a lot with our clients in that area. Consultants, the example I gave earlier, a general business consultant would need errors and omissions based upon the rendering of results and clients potentially not getting the desired result after they spent money with that consultant. Accountants needed errors and mistakes in taxes and preparation for taxes, and the IRS comes back after a client because of the misadvice based upon the accountant's recommendations. We have media companies. When we get involved with clients that are involved in the media, we have libel, we have slander, we have invasion of privacy. All those things are excluded if you're in the business of media. So what's grown up around that field is a media liability, a type of professional liability policy. It's in the same category that we provide for companies that are in the media business, for example. So I hope this has been helpful. Bruce Thompson with Sampson Insurance. We hope to hear from you. We'd love to be of service to you. Check us out at www.samsonins.com.